Hello, this is my mini review of a Quincy QT-5 air compressor. As you can see, it's newly installed. We've got a two-stage pump motor here with the intercooler. A nice copper line going into the tank. It runs about 17 CFM. I doubt that's 173. It probably just dropped the period there, but we have a ball door motor. A nice pressure switch, copper lines, and a quality gauge. Even have a ball drain valve on the bottom. Made in America. Let's see how it runs. It's pretty quiet. I'll just turn it on here.